Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super popular: how to see Snapchat pictures in 2025. Snapchat is all about those fun, disappearing photos and videos, but with the latest updates, it's even more user-friendly and packed with new features. Whether you're a Snapchat newbie or just need a quick refresh, this guide will have you snapping in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Snapchat app installed on your phone. If it's not updated, head to your App Store and grab the 2025 version. It includes enhanced privacy tools and smoother interfaces. Once you're all set, open the app and log in with your username and password. If you're new, you'll need to create an account quickly. It's free and straightforward. Now, to see those pictures, start by tapping on the camera icon at the bottom to access your main feed. From there, swipe right to check your chat list or stories. If someone sent you a snap, it'll show up as an icon with their name. Just tap on it to open. Remember, snaps disappear after viewing, so pay attention. In 2025, Snapchat has added a Memories feature that lets you save snaps easily without notifying the sender. Just hold down on the snap and select the Save option. One cool new update is the AR enhancements. You can now add interactive filters while viewing pictures, making it more engaging. If you're worried about privacy, go to your settings by tapping your profile icon, then adjust who can send you snaps or view your stories. This keeps things safe and fun. Lastly, if you accidentally miss a snap, don't worry. Snapchat's replay feature allows one free replay per day. That's it for this quick tutorial. Snapchat is all about connecting with friends, so go ahead and start exploring. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.